listening. Was there when the rain tapped you?
That's why you have thongs in your car.
All in your face, the past she is haunted, the future is laced. Heartbreak, you know, drives a big black car. I swear I was in the backseat, just minding my own.
So this is our hammer, and it actually, you'd be surprised, but it doubles as a pasta cooker. So maybe later in the vlog you'll see this hammer.
That is just exclusively our pasta cooker.
How cool! Are you ready? Are you ready, everybody? Wait. Oh my gosh. Oh, bit too many spices. So, buddy, what happened?
Okay, so I brought every seasoning known to man. But I forgot the gas. I don't know if it's in the vlog yet, but I forgot the pillows. And I forgot the doona. But I brought the hammock.
I'm gonna pee my pants.
So yeah.
But you know what?
We're here, we're living. Look at our beautiful meal. Where was I? Anyway, look at our... Where's my phone?
Yeah.
Look at our glorious meal. How beautiful, isn't it? Just
and
beautiful.
we've got each other. And
And
that's
we've
all
got
that
each
matters. Seriously.
Regardless of anything else, we've got each other, and that's all that matters.
All that matters. So, let's eat the food.
We don't want dirt seasoning, baby.
No. Alright. We're gonna eat some food. We have got the gas and we are making oats. If you haven't already seen, we've been making oats and we've been struggling, and we got some gas and we got a blanket for tonight, which is pretty exciting. And now we are off to Darby River to Tongue Point. So it's a river and we're gonna walk to the tip top of this point. So yeah, we'll see you there.
See you there.
Now we're on our way to Tongue Point, which is like the front headland along from where we were camping. This is Tongue Point out here. I don't know what they're fun. Buddy, what are you doing?
Okay.
Pretty spaced up.
Prettiest. Oh my god. Filistino.
Oh, there's people
I
coming.
know people. down. Pretty. Fairy Cove.
I didn't realize how much the sea had risen, and we actually are going to really struggle to get back because the water's coming in, but it's okay because we found a way.
We made it down. Now we're going back to the car. Oh, wahoo! Wahoo!
Yeah, babe.
This is interesting.
Do you want to go first? Back to camp?
Back to camp.
Man, you don't have much luck with toilets, do you? What are you doing, bud?
Eating broccoli. Also cutting it up.
We're gonna cook these veggies in the boiling water, and then we're gonna make a little stir fry with some zucchini, some capsicum, some mushrooms, and some tofu. We've got some vegan cheese. I've got a big juicy avo. Oh, we can have this avo for lunch tomorrow again, bud, on a wrap.
Lunch tomorrow?
Mhm.
Yeah, curry now.
It's fogged up. Buddy, what do you call this?
It's got a pillow.
This?
Yeah.
Where did I find them, buddy?
In a bin.
I found these blow-up pillows, 3 of them. There's actually a 4th one in the bin. In the bin. And they're brand new. And I don't know why people didn't want them, but we need them because we don't have pillows. So now we have 3 brand new pillows.
Forgot the pill.
We'll just have a little.
The pillows.
We'll just wipe them down a little bit, and we'll put clothes over them, and we'll sleep on pillows. And we bought a blanket for tonight too, so we'll have a blanket as well.
And pillow.
So
both the things we forgot.
thank you, universe. Thank you, world. Thank you for blessing us. We are very blessed humans,
Very
aren't we?
blessed.
Yee!
Look at this.
And this.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
So we're up. There you go.
Doing Mount Oberon summit. 3.4 kilometers, and it takes an hour, but it's gonna take us half an hour. Kidding.
I'm gonna take it moderately slow. But
It's
yeah.
gonna be a beautiful view from
That's
the
what-
top because today there's no fog over the mountain.
And you know what day it is?
It's Valentine's Day.
Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day, Morty.
Happy Valentine's Day. So we're gonna go climb a mountain, as we do.
That's pretty good.
Yeah. We'll see you at the top.
What are you doing, buddy? What are you doing? What's in your pants? Yeah.
It's my bush.
Tree?
Peanut butter falcon.
Oh,
My peanut butter falcon.
come on, buddy. I got this.
Oh my god.